back at it again. You already know we back at it real quick, man. Let's get back in court, man. Oh! No noise?
Damn,
What we doing?
Oh, my bad.
Golly.
Damn, girl.
You can already see how it make us feel already.
No noise?
No noise. Wait.
Alright.
Pause.
Let's say you a thought.
What? Whole pause.
Like us niggas.
Hey, Lo, what we mean by no noise?
That's what I'm about to explain. Say if you a thought like us niggas. We finesse. We do all this work. All that finessing to finally get to that house.
And we like these.
We do all that finessing to get our panties down.
Uh-huh.
We finally finesse hard enough to get it inside of her.
Uh-huh. We like these.
And she make not one sound
One sound.
hitting in front of her back.
And we sweating. We wiping our face and all that shit.
If I start sweating,
Yeah.
if she made no sound,
At that bit.
my bad.
Give me the point. If I'm sweating, I expect you to be like Running Man.
I'm done.
Getting away from the
No
yeah.
noise.
That's when I try to go for the hurt. Bing! Bing! Bing!
That's what you
Still
want.
no noise?
That's what you want to see pain. Hey, so Lo.
Time to go.
So, my bad. So, alright, look, you feel me? We talking about while having sex, you feel me, and a girl making no noise. Hey, Lo, how you feel about that? We're gonna talk about how we feel about it first, you feel me?
See, I ain't never happened before, so, But if that did happen, like, the way I would feel, the one, we feel like a bitch.
Yeah.
We feel like a bitch.
Place I can get jiggy with you. Get your ass out of here. I'm just a bitch ass nigga.
It feel like my strokes, my game is weak.
Yeah. But it's just some girls that just don't make noise. And I ain't gonna lie, we gotta do our best to make sure we get all of them dirty ass bitches the fuck up out of here. My bad. Oh, I'm sorry. That was my Tourette's.
See, and I'm not talking about no noise as in girls put her face in the pillow to make sure she don't make no noise.
That's
I'm talking.
story.
She just like these.
She over that bitch you hitting her, she looking like her watch and shit. You feel me?
Or don't you hate them?
What time
Don't
it
you
is?
hate a bitch that be like,
Baby, bye. Hey, yo, say my name, daddy. You
Yeah,
feel me?
I want everything.
I
I want all that.
I want to hear no,
Everything.
you feel me?
Everything.
Look, baby, look.
Everything.
Look, I put a lot of work in. I'm doing a lot of work right now.
part of your
I need to hit
job.
my
Part of your
name.
job is to entertain. You gotta entertain.
That's a
You
title.
gotta do what you gotta do.
Because if you don't, when you get on top, I'm like these.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I ain't no like damn baby. What you talking about? What you talking about? What you talking about?
I'm like them.
Ain't
I
none of
wish
that.
I would.
When you throwing it back, I'm quiet.
Cause you know, cause everybody have had sex with a girl that do that motion where it only feels good to them,
Yeah.
Yeah.
and you gotta hit her with the.
You gotta get the
No, none of that.
Yeah.
If I don't feel nothing, I'm like these.
You
get
get
steak.
nothing.
You
Yeah,
get
you get
steak.
nothing for the rest
Not a
of
damn
I'm
thing.
not-
Not a damn thing.
I mean, nobody want to have no dry ass sex when
Yeah.
it's just quiet as hell. All you hear is
I ain't trying
Weak.
to hit. I ain't trying to
nobody
hear
want to
that.
hear that, bro. Nobody,
That shit
Weak.
fine.
nobody doing that.
That shit
I wish I would.
Sleep now.
Fine.
I wish
I'm nothing fast on purpose. Nigga. That's quick.
Got him.
I'm talking 2 minutes. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh yeah, that's another thing. Let you not make noise.
I-
But don't forget, not anytime I want.
Anytime.
I can done anytime I want.
Anytime I feel like
Y'all girls be lucky. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
Y'all lucky that we gotta keep changing positions. Make sure we don't nut quick. No,
Look,
Yeah.
I'm talking about within 10
See, the
seconds,
thing is,
damn
what
near.
the thing
I'm
I
about
will not keep it
the
bad.
thing is, they don't understand the sacrifices. They don't get the sacrifices.
They don't.
They don't understand the sacrifices.
Look, I ain't gonna lie, I be breaking my damn back. My arms be hurting and shit.
Yeah.
I hold
I be
myself
doing
up while I'm
push-up. I'm doing push-up.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
this.
push up.
I'm doing push-up.
You want about to guns?
I'm going crazy.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm hella shocked you doing that right now. But look, that's how it
going crazy.
feels. My arms,
Please.
my arms be sore and some more shit. Look, I'm trying to maintain my stroke, see what you feeling like. Bitch,
Like, you can't even give me a nigga.
I ain't gonna lie, you about to be saying,
Hold on.
you about to be saying my whole,
Whoa!
Think about how selfish that is.
you about to be saying my whole
The
name.
only
My God,
time they
Hold on.
my God.
Hold on.
Go ahead.
Hold on.
Talk that.
Get your round up. Get your round up.
I'm doing all of this. I'm damn near doing gymnastics. You can't even give a nigga a
Yeah, you. I ain't gonna lie. I want to take that all. Take that all up.
Goddamn Tourette's.
The only time they do work is when they on top. Every other position besides that, we're doing everything.
And I hate when
Everything.
and I hate when y'all be like, hold up, I'm tired.
I just got pissed off. This video over, my nigga. I'm done.